Namaste parents and children. We are back with the Friday Fun and Learn session. So today one more interesting topic is human internal organs. In the previous sessions and few Friday fun sessions we learned the parts of human body, the outer parts, what and all can be seen. Now these human internal organs cannot be seen, but it is there and it does its proper function. That is why we are all alive. So let us see what are all the internal organs. Yes, children? Yes. Brain, heart, stomach, kidneys, bladder, thyroid glands, lungs, liver, intestine. In the intestine you will have small intestine and large intestine. So all these organs you have seen, the miniatures you have seen in the bells, right? So please learn this internal organs and please send me the Namaste parents. So hope you all have the sheet, right? So I have arranged the internal organs assigned to me. Yes, because all your children have been worked with this internal organs. These are the organs which are very, very important. So when these organs, yes, function together and function better, so we live better and we'll have, yes, better health, right? So now we will literally understand where are all these organs placed in a body, right? So in this sheet which I have given, so you can cut it out, and which we have done it, right? In this I will be sending you the sheet, so you can cut it each organ, yes, then place it accordingly to this sheet. Yes? Okay. Now let us see where all these organs found in our body. Right. On the top we have brain inside our head. Yes, we do have a brain inside our head. So what is the next organ we can find? We can find the heart. Yes, heart is somewhere near our left hand side of our chest. Yes, heart. Then we have lungs. Yes, lungs. Somewhere very near to that we have lungs. Then little down we have kidneys or stomach. Yeah, we can call this one. We have a stomach. Yes, and then we have a kidney. These are all very, very important organs, children. We have kidney. Yes, then we have liver. Yes, liver somewhere it will be here. In this part it will be. Okay, and then what do you have next? Somewhere between, below the stomach, you will have small intestine, yes, and then the large intestine. Yes, children, kindly understand these organs are very, very important. Yes, please do it and send me the activity. Yes, thank you. Hi, namaste one and all. Today we will be doing the internal organs and we will be pairing the internal organs. I have few miniatures here. Yes. So before offering this, the child should be offered the parts of body. Yes, the outer body parts is there, right? Eyes, ears and all the sense organs and other parts. The child should be knowing all those parts of the body. Now this is the internal organs. So how do you say the child? Because you can't see any of the internal organs, right? So you need to explain in a way to a child that All these organs are present inside our body, and each organ has its specific functions, right? So when you say or talk about the brain, it is inside our head. So you can associate each organ where it is and which body or which part location in the body each organ lies. That is what you need to explain your child, and explain little function. Yes, why the God has given or why the Mother Nature has given this particular organ to make the body run in a smooth way, right? So let us pair each organs. Yes, I have all the miniatures here. So first let us child understand the organ and pair it, yes, visually. Yes, so what is the first organ here? It's the brain. So ask the child, you have a brain there. So do you have a brain? The picture, the object which is similar, right? So the child identifies this. So let the child pick up and put it near that. The next organ, that is called as heart. Yes, where is the heart? Yes, here is the heart. Yes. The next organ, you have kidneys. Where are the kidneys? Yes. Yeah. Kidney. Where is the kidney? Here is the kidney. Then stomach. Yes. Where is the stomach here? Yes. Whatever the food you eat, food helps you in the digestion. Yes, the stomach helps you in the digestion. Yes. Yeah. Then lungs. Right? You breathe, right? So lungs help in breathing. That's a respiratory organ. Yes. The next you have liver. Where is the liver? Here is the liver. Yes. Then small intestine. Yes, you have the small intestine here. Then you have large intestine. Yes, we have set with all the pairing of internal organs. Yes. Thank you, friends. Please do this activity with your children. Yes, and please post the comments in my comment box. Thank you. So now, with this, what does all the M3 children have? First thing is M3 children, because they are the most senior citizens now for the bells. So now M3 children should identify the organs and read the organs. Okay, then learn the human organs and send this video. This is the first thing what the video they have to send. And the second task for the M3 children is you have the sheet, right? So paste that sheet in the project book, cut these organs, and you need to do accordingly from top to bottom. Yes, along with that, the next interesting act is for the M3 children, the third one, what they have to do is they need to tell what does that each organ do, right? Or else how will you know what does the organs do? It's just not enough. If for M1s and M2s it is enough, but you are in M3, yes, you need to know the functions of it. So I will be sending this, and very, very simple, parents, you don't have to worry. You make them understand. Once the child realizes, the child can say in his own words. If you wanted to put little more sentences for this, you're welcome. And I can see lot of changes in the people, and they are speaking wonderful, right? So I want this time everybody to put their efforts. It's nothing like that. So each organ, let them tell one by one, record it one by one and send it. Yes, put together all and send it. Let's know what does each organ does for your body. How does it helps in controlling your body, right? So functions of internal organ. Brain. What does the brain do? brain controls our thoughts, our memory and speech. Yes. Then heart. Heart pumps blood and oxygen to all over the body. What does the lungs do? The main function of lungs is gas exchange, or in the respiration you breathe, right? That is how you breathe, right? If you keep your hand in front of your nose, you can feel your breathe, right? That is what your lungs does. Yes? Stomach. The main function of stomach aids in digestion of food. You eat food, right? It need to get digested, right? Yes, that is what your stomach does. Then liver. Yes, liver break down fats in the small intestine during the digestion. It also produces the protein and cholesterol, and it helps to carry the fat through all over the body. Yes, kidneys. Kidney removes waste product and excess fluids from the body. Yes, where does the excess fluids go? Yes, you pass out or you pee through your anus, right? Like that. Small intestine. It mainly involves in digestion and absorption of nutrients. Yes, whatever the food you eat it needs to go to the blood cells, right? That is what the small intestine does. It absorbs the nutrients whichever is there, whatever is there in your food. That is why you should eat always healthy food. Your body will be very, very healthy rather than eating the junk food. Then large intestine. Large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes, produces and absorbs the vitamins in your body, children. Yes, it is very, very interesting topic, and when you go to your higher classes, you already know this, right? Parents, ensure your children are in M3. Please give little effort. Please sit and explain to him. There are a lot of videos which explains the internal organs in the YouTube. I will also forward my best thing. Please, you record all the 3 things. First step is the child needs to identify the human organs. That's the first video you're sending. The second video is you're cutting it and pasting near this boy picture in your a scrapbook. That's the second thing. Then the third thing is you're going to explain what is the function of that organ. Very, very important. Yes, I need all this. I'm eagerly waiting to get all your videos, children. Do your best. Yes, thank you, parents. Namaste, children. Have a great weekend.
Hi everyone, let us talk about internal parts of the body.
Okay. First, which one?
First, brain helps us to think.
Okay.
Next, heart pumps us the blood to all our parts.
Next is?
Next is lungs. Lungs help us to breathe in the exercise.
Okay.
Then liver. Then stomach. Stomach digests the food to the small intestine. Will come to liver.
Okay.
Liver breaks the fat into
Liver breaks the fat in our body?
tea.
Okay.
Liver breaks the fat into small body.
Okay.
Small intestine further break small intestine can not digest
Absorbs the water.
Absorbs the water.
And further breaks the food.
Further breaks the food.
Okay.
Kidney.
Mhm.
Further throws the wastewater. Throws the wastewater
Out of the body.
out of the body.
Okay, good.
Organ. Brain, thyroid, lungs, liver, intestine, large intestine, heart, stomach, kidneys, bladder. Made up of external and internal organ. External organ like skin, eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. Internal organs like brain, heart, lungs, liver, stomach, kidneys, small intestine, large intestine. Let's learn about internal organs. Brain is present inside our head. It controls body movements, thoughts, feelings, and memories. Next, heart. Heart pumps blood and oxygen to all our bodies. Next, lungs. Two lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. Liver helps release blood, storage, energy. Stomach helps in digestion of food. Kidneys help in purification of blood. Small intestine helps in digestion of nutrients. Large intestine absorbs vitamins and food. Heart, stomach, kidney, bladder, small intestine, big, large intestine,
Liver,
lungs, thyroid.